Okay, this is Wandering the USA, and I'm here with, what's your name? Cindy. And we are sitting here. Cindy wants to make a video, and her mom's monitoring to see if we're going to upload this or not, so it might be deleted.
Hi.
What do you want to do a video about? Okay, I'm sure they will. I've got a great audience. What are we doing?
I'm going to make a video with farm animals.
Farm animals, okay.
And dinosaurs.
And dinosaurs. All right, we're on our way.
We're on our way to...
And her mom's no longer with us, so I guess this video might be going up.
Okay. Well, you ready to go? You got the best.
She's making a video. You better hurry, Cindy.
And today I'm going to show you all my farm animals and dinosaurs. I'm going to make a video about it next time.
Y'all let me know when you're coming.
You're going to make a video about it next time, so you're giving them something to look forward to?
I'll see you later. I'm getting tired. I start walking sideways when I'm on YouTube.
I got
my MS is...
dinosaurs.
I missed you. Go ahead, do it again, Patience. All right.
And I got horses. I got weird chipmunks. Cat, every farm animal that you could possibly think of. Like, tell me one.
I would say, do you have a sheep? There's Noah. And Noah and all the ark. You got a sheep. Do you have a chicken? She's got a chicken. All right, let's wrap it up. Go say goodbye.
Bye guys. I'm sorry that this was so short, but next time I'm going to make a longer video.
And how we end the channel is we say, get outside and enjoy nature. Have we been outside tonight?
No.
Yes, we have to. You were playing like you were a raccoon outside and making me chase you around. We were outside tonight, remember when you were playing like you were a raccoon?
What's the ending?
Oh, we say get out and enjoy nature. Be blessed.
Get outside and enjoy nature. Be blessed.
Bye.
Bye guys.
Bye.
Next time.
See you next time. Let's go say, you want to go say hi bye to everybody else over here?
Yeah.
We're in a giant building. You can't tell how big this building is.
And this is going to be uploaded to YouTube.
Yes, it is. And you can watch it on YouTube. We just passed a room where somebody was coming out. So go ahead.
That's
Here, go.
my mom. And that's Dave.
Here.
Say goodbye, guys. Say bye, guys. Trace.
Oh, everybody turned around on you. That means they don't want to be recorded.
Patience. Say goodbye. Okay. Get outside and enjoy nature. Be blessed. See you later, guys. Bye.